How's it going everyone? Archie Cole here from Chilli Pro Scooters. Have you bent your bars, maybe cracked them, or something crazy along them lines and need to learn how to change your bars quick? Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change your bars the easiest way possible. So the only tool you are going to need to change over your bars is an Allen key to undo your clamp. This is either going to be a 5mm or a 6mm. I am using the 5mm today as my clamp has 5mm bolts in it. Also, I've got the bars that I'm going to be changing over to. These are standard size steel bars. Make sure you're aware on what bars you want to change over to your scooter and make sure they are compatible with your scooter. If you are unsure what bars are compatible with your scooter, head to our previous video, SCS versus HIC, and you can find out more about what bars are compatible with what compression system. But for now, let's get right into changing bars. Let's go. And there we have it, guys. That is how you change your handlebars. The easiest way, the most simple way, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to do so. If you want to learn anything else about a scooter, another tutorial, just a genuine question, make sure you comment down below. And also, guys, make sure you follow all of our social medias so you never miss an upload from us. But for now, I'm Archie Cole. Peace out.